Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I am trying to make a seascape using the materials that I got from my Sophie and Toffee Elves box. And this is the October box, and their theme was like the oceany marine seascape that you see on like the really viral Instagram videos. So I thought, hey, let's give it a try. So first step, I'm just putting on the gloves that they provided. And I poured my 2-part resin into these little plastic cups and then mixed them together. And I separated the resin mixture into 4 different containers so we can mix in 4 different pigments. And according to the instructions that Sophie and Toffee brought in, it said to mix in a small amount of the pigment with the resin so it doesn't mess with the chemical like mixture and balance of the resin. So I just gave the tiniest little amount of pigment. And I really love the giant wooden block, so instead of using the seashell, I decided to use the giant wooden block instead. And I poured on my different colors of resin. So I started with the sand and then the dark blue. And in between that, I put in the turquoisey blue. And then I mixed in the resin of the 2 blues together. Just trying to make a gradient, but it didn't really look like a gradient. And then I poured in a layer of white. And then I just let that set for 12 hours. And it really did set after 12 hours. So then in the instructions it said to add the layer of white resin on top of the white resin you put in. And then to use a hair dryer or heat gun and use that to spread it at a 45-degree angle. And it wasn't really spreading with a heat gun, so I used my hair dryer, and to me it made it look like a giant white mountain. So I thought, that doesn't look right. So trying to fix it, I added the little sand with the resin and I mixed that together and placed the sand over the, the beige colored resin mixture on my board. And after I did that, it still kind of looked like a mountain to me. So I was trying to figure out, do I want to fix this or what? So using the pink silicone knife, I scraped off all the white resin before it cured. And then I tried pouring in another layer of the white resin with the sand. And then I used my heat gun to see if I can try to spread it a little bit better. But it didn't. And I think I was ready to give up at this point because I waited another 12 hours. And then I decided to try again, and this time I poured a layer of white resin, which I watched a bunch of YouTube videos and this is what people were doing, putting white resin on top and then putting a layer of white and then using the hair dryer or heat gun to spread that. And then it got more of the ripple effect that I was looking for. So then I tried adding a bunch of ripple effects, but then the only thing is that once it cured, as time went by, it kind of looked like swirls like this. I mean, it kind of looks like a seascape to me, but it's not like didn't have the nice ripples that I was trying to get. So I'll have to try again. I don't think this was a complete fail, but I wouldn't say it's a complete success either. But I mean, it looks really pretty. I just think I need to work on this technique just a little bit more. Maybe I'll add some kind of like marine life creature to it and try to frame it or something. But anyway, thank you for watching and let me know what you guys think about this. Is it a success or a fail? Thank you for watching.